everyone, my name is Falinsa Almayda from IPSE 2018. Well, today I would like to demonstrate the operation of a digital multimeter measuring current. So, let's get started. To start this experiment, all you are going to need is a digital multimeter and LED circuit. First of all, you are going to put the black probe to the common lead. Then put the red probe to the milliampere. Here, select to 200 milliampere and the meter will automatically turn on. After that, let's measure the current. The first step, you have to disconnect the alligator clip and connect the alligator clip to the multimeter. Can you see? The multimeter show the value of the current and the current is 21 milliampere. So, this is how measure the current with a digital multimeter. That's all from me. I really hope you guys enjoy with the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!